Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Janita Miller, and today I'll be taking you through Working Paper 10.02, Audit Firms Independence. Okay, cool. So where we are at now in our audit file is we are currently still in section 10, Working Paper 10.02, Audit Firms Independence, which is the third working paper to be done in the RAC audit file. Okay, so audit firm independence, you know that the ISA actually list prohibitions that, if it existed, would preclude the firm from accepting the client or performing the engagement. Okay. So, you need to work through the list. These are the listed prohibitions per the ISA, and you need to indicate whether that is applicable or not. So, do you have financial interests in the client? If yes, if yes, then you'll need to document information in these two cells over here. Firstly, you need to document the reason for the prohibition. And then secondly, you will have to document the action taken to eliminate or to reduce the threat to an acceptable level. Okay, but if something is not applicable, it's very easy. You just select no, and then no further work will have to be done. Okay, so I'm just going to go through the list. I'm going to select no. None of these prohibitions are applicable to my firm. And then if you do have any comments, we do provide you with cells over there for comments. And then you'll get action 3. Action 3 is where you need to certify that the firm is in all respects independent and can be seen as independent with regards to the audit, or not independent or seen to be independent in all respects, but appropriate actions have been taken to eliminate or reduce the threat to an acceptable level, or not independent and the inability to resolve the independence matter has been promptly reported to the firm for appropriate action. Okay, so today, remember, we do have one applicable prohibition. So we are going to say that not independent or seen to be independent, but we could take actions to reduce the threat to an acceptable level. And based on that, do we still feel we are allowed to accept or continue with a client? And then, of course, you just select the appropriate one over there. The partner needs to sign this off. So if logged in as partner, they will have the ability to partner sign off over there. Guidance sheet structured with objective training video and step-by-step instructions on how to do this working paper. And please remember that this working paper's conclusions are pulling into working paper 10.00. So if you go to 10.00 and you go to question 4, this conclusion over here, that actually pulls directly from working paper 10.02. Okay, hope that makes sense.